Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix screen not responding to touches on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. Click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end. Click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not let us update your software, let us. After update software, let us go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.